Good morning, cyber traders, and happy Wednesday. Hope everyone's having a fabulous pre-market on the ATNF. Oh my God, this has been I love starting the morning with a win, right? I know everyone here in the cyber group has just jumped into it. I got in a little late. I was just telling Josh I kind of chased it, but I got it right here. I ended up buying it at 403 for 1,000 shares, and this thing has just been rocketing. Oh my God. Look at that. A $4,000 investment, you could turn to $6,000, right? Isn't that great? So anyway, you could see it right here. A lot of you guys jumped in early this morning around 8 a.m. and it made this big pop around here at $1.75. And you're probably freaking out like, that's a lot of money, right? You know, to chase a stock that high. But sure enough, this is what we teach you at CyberTrading University, where, especially in phase 3, we talk about consolidation, right? Stock was consolidating for 30 minutes. And then it started building a Fausto flag. Then what ended up happening, which I'll show you a little bit more in phase 3. In level 4, where we started seeing those orders getting filled. And boom, right there was your shot to get into it. You didn't have to buy a lot. You didn't have to. If you bought 100 shares, 100 shares with a $400 investment, you did pretty damn good. But this thing keeps pushing up great. We're going to talk a lot more about it. If you're watching on social media, if you want to come and see how we do this, grab your damn phone, scan your QR code out in the top left-hand corner, get in our pre-market trading room. We'll show you how it works. But before we start going through the watch list, let's go over a couple other things that were moving from yesterday, because there's more stocks than just ATNF moving. There's a lot of other ones. But yesterday was a really, really good day also. What is Tuesdays? Trading Tuesdays, right? DRUG. What a great mover. This stock right here, you could see it right here. This thing has just been absolutely phenomenal. So the stock started right around $2.60, right? Shot up, got halted, went all the way up to $12. Then if you show up in the middle of the day, it went to 22. Then it consolidated. The last 30 minutes of this beauty shot up, went from 25 to 27 to $42 the last freaking minute. This thing was crazy. And then after hours, it shot up again, but we're done for that. That was done. I know some of you are a little upset because you chased it right here, and then you came back and you saw it all the way up here. You're like, oh my God, how'd that even happen? These are the things why we love day trading. This is what we train for. Remember what I said yesterday. Every day is a new adventure, right? Some people are looking at and seeing, is it ever too late to get into the stock market? The Dow's breaking all-time highs. You see what's happening with crypto. Oh, this is what we do every day. Every day is a great adventure. And you're seeing it again right now with ATNF. This thing's still going higher. Could you imagine this goes to 40? Oh, my God. I might have to go buy a new car. Anyway, a couple other stocks also I want to bring up that did really, really well yesterday. STEC. STEC. That one, another really good move right at the close. This thing ran from like 40 cents all the way up to about $4. A huge, huge winner. It gapped up. I have it on the watch list right now. I'm just not it's trending down. It's up about 500%, 480, 470, wherever you want to call it, STEC. But we'll keep a close eye on that one too. That was from yesterday. That one's moving up pretty nice. OKLO, right, was the other one that we had from yesterday. Okay, so this stock came off good Google News, a nuclear news, something like that. Is that what it was? Something like that. This stock has obviously did really, really well too yesterday. 9:30 ran from like $10 up to about 12. She's going back on the watch list. Remember, this is how day trades turn into swing trades. So this stock could be turning into a swing trade. It's not up super big, but you know what? It is moving up pretty nicely, as we could see it right there. That one's moving up pretty well. And then was it DJT? Okay, so that stock, this is the Trump media stock. This stock we've been doing a really good swing trade on it. So stock was about $15. and it became a short-term swing trade, ran to a high close to about 30, was that 20? What was the high right there? 33. And then what was it? It was news that barely no news came out of it. And then obviously it tanked. But you know what? That stock went up pretty fast. If it holds here steady, it could still move. And the one that trades side by side with it was PHUN. That was the other one that was another nice mover. And it was funny because around 10:30, I called it out. I told you guys not only to keep an eye not on that, not on the drug stock, but also PHUN moved up pretty nicely. That ran from $6, shot up to a whopping $8. What a great mover. This is why we trade at cybertradinguniversity, right? HIMS also had a good move too. I almost forgot that one too, right? Thanks a lot, Josh, for sharing that. HIMS has been doing unbelievable swing trade. HIMS is doing, they got into the weight loss drug. I see them advertising on TV all the time. Hair loss. Everything. It's HIMS and hers. It's just like they're really, really, really stepping it up. That stock obviously doing well. A couple other stocks also doing pretty well. Crypto is doing phenomenal. I think it was like 38,000. So a lot of the crypto stocks are doing pretty well too. You have Hood that's doing pretty well too. Hood just broke 52-week high. That one's doing pretty well. You had, the miners didn't do that well, but God, this thing keeps going. You know what? I got to move on. Forget it. I can't talk about the past. I want to focus about the future. Look at what's going on with the ATNF. So ATNF, want to bring this up right here and show you what got going on. This big green ball just came in. You know what that means? Buying. So that stock has just been doing absolutely fabulous, breaking new highs. That one, unbelievable, right? ATNF. This is why you play the game, all right? That one, biggest percentage gainer. Have any of you ever seen a $700 a stock up 700 points? Have you ever seen that before? I don't think anyone has ever seen that. I know we got some new subscribers in here. Alan, you've been an old student for a while. I've seen you here just join us for a while. Guy from Ohio. You're a new trial member. Have you ever seen this before? I just want to call out some people because I know we have the new members in here that just joined us in earlier. Who else is new here? Nadia from Quebec, right? What about you? You're new here. Ever see that? How about the people that are watching right now on social media? Have you guys ever seen that before? And it's funny. Lita says, yep, only here at CTU, right, Lita? Lita, I hope you get ready for next week. Looking forward to see you for the on-site. By the way, if you guys still interested to get into the on-site, it's never too late. You could always do the webcast. So please make sure you do that. So anyway, we had two stocks, STEC and drug was up about 1,000% yesterday. And then this one, look at that. It's up almost 800%. And guess what? There's going to be another one tomorrow. $14. Look at this thing go. My God, I'm up. Since we've been here, I'm up 10 G's. Look at that. That thing just keeps flying. And NVIDIA ain't doing well, but sure enough, this one is. Anyway, let's move on because can't cry over spilt milk. And on one stock, we got to maybe cut our loss on one and join the other one. So we have STEC that's moving up pretty decently too. The only thing I don't like about it is the prices are trending down. There's an order out here right around $1.80. So it looks like you got some support levels there. That one's moving up pretty well. VS, another one. Big iceberg order showed up right here around $5 at 17,000 shares. That's why that's trending down. But I'm still putting on the watch list because it is up 200%, up 27 million shares already traded. BDRX was another one I found that was moving. Another big order showed up here around $12. You can see that. That's why it's backing off right there. But when you go back to the ATNF, I don't see any orders out there in the offer. You see what I'm saying? That's what we need to focus on. What else we got here? Damn, this thing just won't stop. Anyway, the WVE is another one I found right here. This one is going up pretty nicely, but it is testing an order out here at $12, I see. WVE. That's another one right there. That's moving up pretty good. TPST was another one from yesterday. Looks like she's starting to trend down a little bit right here. There's a couple of orders out here at $1.40, so that's not bad. Cheap little stock. See it right there? $1.40 for 44,000. Remember what we teach at Cybertrading University. Everybody likes to look at the right of the stock, the chart. We teach you the left of the chart, right? Left. I mean, you got, my dyslexia kicked in. Everyone's focused on the left. We teach you the right. The right are the orders. There we go. All right. So listen, let's get ready for the market open up. ATNF is doing great. Great call. I'm glad a lot of you guys got into this trade. Whoever jumped in, some of you are still stuck in it. Is it ever too late to jump in it? That's what we'll talk about when we get back here for the second part. Now, don't forget, I am going to be live on Wealth 365. So for everyone here at 10 a.m., the link is right there. If you want to come listen in, we're going to post it up here in social media. Anyone here that's on social media wants to come and join us. I'm going to teach you all this good stuff. How do we find these stocks? How do we trade these stocks? Here we go, right there. Just feel free to come and join us. And where's that link right there that I made? There it is right there. There we go. So we got that link right there. If everyone's seen that link right there on social media, make sure you click us, join us. And please use that promo link right there. If you use our promo link, you will get my free book. Just to let you know. All right. So let's get ready for the market open up. Got about 15 minutes. We're going to take a quick little break. We'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Social media people, I'll see you back here at 10 a.m. Just click on that link and register. Get that promo. Once again, if you click it, you will get my book. I will email it to you immediately. So make sure you use the promo Cybertrading University. Everyone else, congratulations. And guess what? If you missed it, don't worry about it. That's why I've been doing it for 30 years. We'll find another one, just like we found the ones you missed yesterday. If you missed the ones today, we'll find that one, and we'll find more tomorrow and the next day and the next day. Good to see you all. See you in about 15 minutes. Don't go anywhere and trade safe.